Hey Frankie, here's your video for this week. Alright, so we are working on drum rolls. That's where we're equally bouncing both sticks and alternating. So, to start this video, what I want you to do is I want you to count and play along with me, count with me, and we're going to roll our sticks. And we're going to do this to a metronome. Alright? Alright, so we're going to set our metronome to 7 BPMs, and we're going to go back and forth while we bounce our sticks. And we're going to go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay, it's a little bit faster, alright? And this is what we'll do, go back and forth, just like this. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and, okay? Now I want you to play along with me and I'll count us in. Here we go. 1 and 2 and here we go. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 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 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. Alright, so I want you to do that yourself and set your metronome to 70 BPMs. Okay. And the other thing we're working on is your new Jess and Frank pattern, which is just a slightly different, I should say, as the first one you learned. So you know Jess and Frank and Jess and Frank and Jess and Frank, right? You're a professional at that one by now. So your new one is you just do 2 Jesses the second time. So you do 1 Jess and then 2 Jesses. And it goes Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank. Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank and Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank and Jess and Frank. And play along with me. Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank and Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank and Jess and Frank and Jess, Jess, Frank and Jess and Frank. A couple more times. And we end. All right, so those are the 2 things you got to work on, is that new pattern and your drum roll. All right, and I will see you next week, Frankie. Keep up the good work.